And these are the first things you do as a maintenance supervisor or as a maintenance tech, period. They go get you a bucket and do a clock check. Get one out this old dusty maintenance tech shop. You just go around the grounds and pick up little things you see. Dumb things. Wood chip. Yeah. So hit up this playground. I don't think I can hit the whole property in 3 minutes though, so I'm gonna show you all I can with the glasses. Just do a circle around the property. It's a windy one today. Yeah, when you do a work ready, wanna pretty much get all this dirty shit out. Cedric over there doing his thing. Good spirits, even though we got a nasty work order. Yeah, so this what maintenance work look like. Yeah. Ugh. Nice shit spot, all the nice stuff. Just move all this stuff out, and the cleaners will do the rest. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a clean, like a ear. That's a good device to leave. Oh, I guess they didn't want it. Maybe it's broke. Check all these drawers. All that dog hair. See if everything works. Looks like we need a new filter in here. Ew. Ew. I think that's an electric ear blaster. Like clean your ears. Look expensive. I wonder why they left that. Clean the refrigerators. Dang, they left the whole They left everything in here. Yeah, we do that part. Uh,